Here we are. It is Thursday morning, and as you can see here, I managed to do about a 30-point turn in the parking court area, but I did manage to get the rig turned around from the other way after doing the oil change over there. So when I come back from work today, we're gonna finish packing up and we're gonna head out and get on the road. As you can see here, it's one of the reasons why we're heading to Myrtle Beach, and I won't miss this as we drive down. Hopefully the weather says after we head south a little bit in New York it won't be this, it'll be rain. So, but either way, it'll be warmer, hopefully. And I gotta finish cleaning the roof deck off. We're at lovely Tom's Brook, Virginia. It's about 8:15 in the morning, and yeah, late last night this decided again to strip out and go into first gear only. So I have removed it, and I've got the generator going, and I had to buy a little tool socket kit because I forgot mine. Always remember your socket kit. And under there is where I pulled the governor out. Right back there. So I'm gonna wait for somebody from Bill's Transmission Service to come by, pick this up, take it to the shop, replace the gear, bring it back, and I'm going to ask him if they got another spare one of these all put together, or a couple of other spare gears. And this time I'm going to really, instead of just telling my wife, yes, we have the part, and I assumed it was in the glove box, I'm actually going to check to make sure the spare part was in the glove box, because I could have gone to the service place over there, right over there, and they could have put this in and we would have been on our way. But hopefully we won't have a huge delay. Wife's taking it in stride. Happy Valentine's Day, honey. Happy Valentine's Day. What a gift. So she's not super mad at me. A little bit though, a little ticked. And of course you see it's snowing in Virginia. Of course, you know, it's one of the coldest days they've had so far. But I'm used to that because it's like 13 up in where we came from. And yeah, so gonna wait for this guy from the oh, okay. This guy is from, believe it or not, another Bill is gonna save the day, hopefully. Got the generator running. And he's gonna come here, pick up the part, like I said. And it's Bill's Transmission Service. And they've agreed to come out here and help me out, because obviously I told them I didn't want to drive it anymore in first gear. So that's where we're at, folks, and then we'll get right back on that road and get down to Myrtle Beach today. Stay tuned. Well, hopefully the guy from Bill's Transmission will show up here soon. Kind of keeping an eye out for him. We're getting a little antsy, ready to go. I'm so glad that, you know, they're doing the work for us, for the rig on Valentine's Day. And hopefully we'll get rolling here. I'll get that installed, and I think we're going to wind up heading back that way, back to our turnoff for 66, and then head down through the rest of Virginia, Fredericksburg, and then onward on 95 to Myrtle Beach, we're hoping. So hopefully any other issues going forward. Probably going to check the transmission fluid too while I'm at it. Probably would not be a bad idea. I'm kind of hesitant to do that, but I think I'm going to do that now before the guy gets back. More later. finally made it to the camp here, which is awesome. We've got a Wi-Fi repeater up there, which you can't see too well, but it is up there. And this is the back of the, here you go, our RV. I'm going to be turning on the fuse panel here, if I can get it turned on here. Let's see, 30 amp. There we go, it should be good. Should have power. Should be on. Probably put the flap the right way because it's bent a little bit. There we go. Walk around. Make sure things are set here. Got our little stuff on the ground. Our water tank. Hopefully the power is working. You can see there's the leg row. And we have made it. It is dark because it is about 7:15 at night. Later than we had expected, but with the little hiccup, it's not that bad. So have a good evening, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Here we go. We just rented the off-season golf cart, gas powered. It's even got cup holders for our coffee. So we're driving around. Mom doesn't know yet that we've got this thing, so we're just gonna tool it around here a little bit. We're at the Myrtle Beach KOA, and I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Thank goodness it isn't a manual. Turn left now. Turn left. You holding on back there? All right.
We're doing good. Now you just gotta remember where we parked.
Yeah, well, I got the handy-dandy signs out here.
Yep.
So you see the 40 through 69. Little cabins. What else we got here? Got mobile home, the regular homes over there. Yep. So here's our turn right here.
And we're primary residents.
31 by 146. And we're gonna make, you didn't do the hand signal. The little road glare there. Oh, there's a little spot here. I don't know, it's a little rough here. That's right. Oh, look at that little.
Yeah, it's actually going pretty good too.
So we're parked right up to where the airport is parked there. Put the parking brake on. There we go, we're good.
There we go.
Yeah, the campfire's running. There we go. We got all our cups of coffee. Cups of coffee. I think that's, I think that might be mine. I don't know. We'll have to see.
Oh yeah, this is yours.
Yeah, all right. So there we go. Got a little golf cart there. And I see a little girl, so we got some transport, which is awesome. And the fire's going.
Yeah, it's actually going.
Although it's looking like it's melting our grill a little bit.
It'll be fine.
Yeah.
It is denting it a little bit.
It is denting it a little bit there. I don't know if I like that, but.
Not a good idea to put your shoe there, but.
I know, cooking my shoe. But this just started up with the embers from the last night's campfire. But you know, it might not be a bad thing. You get to sit around and get warmed up.
Charlie Chaplin and eat your shoe.
There you go. Yeah, maybe. Cool. So there we go. Pretty cool.